Hello guys, today we're gonna do something different. Instead of opening real packs, we are going to open Pokemon TCG online packs. But right now I do not have any packs right now, I just have a few probably. So what we're gonna do is do programming in Python so we can get videos from YouTube, and most of the people opening Pokemon packs are giving away codes. We're gonna get those QR codes and then we're gonna redeem it for ourselves. Of course, we're gonna leave a like on those videos that we get, but if you're excited, come on, just please tune in. If you're interested in Python, just tune in. But if you're already only interested in the pack opening, I'll just put down the time below so you can skip and see what we get. Are you guys ready? So now first I'm just gonna explain to you the codes of the Python. So guys, here is our code. So there are two parts of this code. One is downloading a YouTube videos, so we can use that video. For the second part, which is reading the QR codes, which you can use to redeem booster packs on Pokemon TCG online. Okay, so first, in downloading the video, we're gonna use this website. So actually it just needs the YouTube links, and then it will give you a link so that you can download it on your PC. Okay, so to do that and to automate that, we will use Selenium. Okay, so here we imported WebDriver from Selenium so that we can automate. We don't have to do a lot of things every time. Okay, so we just created this function and then we're using Chrome driver. So this one, you needed to install this. If you know, you need to know how to use Selenium first. Okay, so you can check other websites for that, but then you will need to have this Chrome driver so we can open the website using Chrome. Okay, and then we're gonna use the get function so we can open the website. So the website looks like this. Okay, here's the website. So we're gonna input the link here, and then what we're gonna do is you press download. Let's see what's here. When you press download, you can see there are some advertisements there but it can give you the link of the files we have. So it looks like this. So remember what it looks like, so it's going to use this. Okay, so to automate this, we need to inspect the objects of the website. So here you can see this text box is actually here named video. So that is what we used, what we searched here. So we're gonna name that text box video input, and we find by name, find element by name, and we saw that video. Okay, and then as we do that, we're gonna send keys. What's the keys? What's gonna input is the link of the YouTube video from YouTube. Okay, and then this one, same thing. Okay, it's search, but it's called download button. Okay, so to do that, so we're gonna name also that download button, or the search button, this one. So download button, and then we're gonna click it. Okay, so as we click that, as I said, when you click this, you're gonna have these results. Okay, so but it's difficult to find these results using the same procedure before. So what we're gonna do here, okay, so we're just gonna get the link of this one. But how to do that? Here you can see the link of that item, but we need to map this one. Okay, So to do that, first we check if there's a main download button. That main download button is this download actually, because that means we successfully had links. Because if we input wrong links, then this will not be here and it will fail, so it will return null. Okay, this is for our code only. Then to have that, we want to get this one, but to do that we need to map it. So we were going to use find element by XPath. So as you can see here, using the XPath, here we have the T body, and then we find the first TR, okay, and then we find the TD, first TD. Okay, that's our button 360p. And then as we see, when we have that, okay, we will check that button 360p. This is actually just this whole thing. Okay, we're gonna check the text. What we searched there is the 360p, not the download button. Okay, so why? Because we want to know which one we want to search. So here in our code, you can see we are looking for the 360p version, because we don't want the big one. It's longer to download the big one, so we're gonna use this. So we're gonna look for this. We can also check the size of that, okay, using by mapping. You can just map this HTML here. Okay, we need to map that if we're going to use the XPath. And then what we need for the download link is this one, get attribute href of the download 360. Okay, so here download 360, we get this path. This is number 4 now, so this is the 4th element. There we have 1 2 3 4 TDs, so the 4th element is the download one. So we got this first, we got the 3rd and the 4th. We will search its attribute href, so the link, and we're gonna put that in our ret variable, and then we're gonna return that. Okay, so you can just directly get that if you want, but here what we did, we just find first the 360p. Okay, second check, this is we use the tr2, which is this is tr1, this is tr2, so we check those two. Okay, and then of course if you get nothing, just return null. So that means you did not see any 360p version. But that's it. Mostly there are 360p and 720p version of the YouTube videos. Okay, so why did we only get the link and not download it? We can actually automate the download here. So to make it easier, we just use requests. So using that link from the website, that downloadable link, so we're just gonna pass it here. Okay, I created this download function. If it's null, just return 1, but if it's true, and then just download it using request.get. Okay, so the link, and we need to allow redirects equals true. And where do we gonna download that? Here in open and the vid.mp4. I did not included the path, meaning it will be downloaded in the same directory as my codes. Okay, so I'm gonna write here our .content and then just copy that. And then finally, after downloading, we're gonna use OpenCV so we can manipulate or show the frames of the video. So we downloaded the file here, so we just check first, of course, if it's we get the link. If we did not get the link, it'll be link error and then it's over. Okay, but if we get the proper link, we're gonna use this timestamp. Just have a 1 second delay, but it's probably not needed. Okay, and then this one, so well, this is only if you're gonna type this out. If you want to specify where to output it. So here we have a default of list underscore barcodes, that's CSV. So all of the results that we're gonna get will be saved here in list the underscore barcodes dot CSV. Okay, so when you run that, it's gonna say starting video after we of course downloaded it. So if we're gonna use the webcam, we can use this vs equals video stream source equals 0. That means you're gonna use your webcam. Okay, but right now we downloaded the video earlier, so we're gonna use the video here. We're gonna use video capture and then the video that we downloaded earlier, vid.mp4. So it's also in the same directory as our code, so we did not need to input the path here. It's also gonna overwrite when we downloaded it earlier. It's gonna overwrite any vid.mp4 that is existing. So if you want to save those videos, you better rename it. Okay, so we're also gonna open our CSV. This is where we're gonna record all the codes that we're gonna get, but we need to be fast, so later on we're gonna print it also. Okay, we have this found. This is the it's like an array where we can store all the found barcodes that we're gonna get later on. Okay, and then this is just setting up the video. So we know that Pokemon booster openings, most of them have of course intro. Okay, but we need to get the codes as fast as we can. So right now we just assume that we need to start in the frame much later than the beginning. Okay, so here we just set the start frame about the 6th of the whole video. We're gonna get the whole number of frames here, and for our information only, we're just gonna print the frame count, how many frames are there, and we're gonna print where we're gonna start. Okay, and then we're gonna set that start frame, and then we're gonna use this current frame later here on our loop. So we're just gonna set the current frame same with the start frame. Okay, so while it is open, so while we have frames to run, we're gonna read those frames one by one. Okay, so it will read as long as there are more frames to read. Okay, and then here you can see current frame. We skip the frames. Why? Because we don't need to read all the frames. We only need to fasten it up. We just try to find those QR codes in there. So we're gonna skip it by 5. So later on you will see the video as it plays, it's faster. And then we're gonna set that new current frame. So here I'm just gonna try this because sometimes resizing gets an error and then your program will stop. So to prevent that, we're just gonna try and accept. I'm just gonna print error resize if it fails. Okay. So if everything is good, we're gonna get finally the barcodes using PyZBar. Okay, using PyZBar, we remember here you need to import PyZBar from PyZBar. Okay, also for the OpenCV you need to import CV2. Alright, and for others you're just gonna import everything here. Okay, so using that, we're gonna save the barcodes here. It's not barcodes, it's actually QR codes, right? So we're just gonna save it here, barcodes. And then this part, it will only just on the frame itself, it's gonna write a rectangle. So by watching the video, you will see if there are detected barcodes. Later we will see that. Okay, so here I'm gonna write the draw a rectangle, and it will actually write down the codes on the frame. And then finally here we're gonna write those barcode data only if it's not found yet already. So we will prevent duplicates here in this part. So we're gonna write here in our CSV, and we're gonna add it in our found array, and actually here we're gonna print it so we can easily see here down here the codes that we are going to get. So the IM show, it will show you the frames so you can see, you can watch, you can actually watch the video but in fast motion. And we're gonna have a key equals CV2 that wait key, so we're gonna wait for some keys so we can actually do this down here. So we added this one. So first, if we press Q, if the key that we pressed is Q, we can break. So if you see that, oh, this video is not giving away codes, then you can just quit. And then here you can actually customize this part. So this one, we wanted to control our videos, our frames. Like in YouTube, we can press the right arrow key to skip 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Same here. So we will use this. We have A, so we're gonna go back 500 frames. We can use D, so we can fast forward for 250 frames. W, we're gonna use fast forward 1000 frames, and S, we're just gonna -1. So actually we will change this to 1, so this will go make our frame go back to the beginning. Okay, and then here of course we need cleanup, and that's it for our code. So right now let us try our code. Are you guys ready? So first thing we have to do, get ready your Pokemon.com website. Just log in, make sure you are ready to input those codes. Okay, and here we're gonna close this one, and then I already write it down here, Pokemon openings, and then we filtered it last hour and upload date, so you can see the latest uploaded files. Okay, this video is 1 hour ago, so we probably won't be able to get anything from here, but let us see, just for demo's sake, what our code can do. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy the address from the video, clear this first, and gonna run our code, our program. Here we're gonna input the code or the link that we got. and then you can see it will open the BitDownloader website, download or get the link of the code, and here we have the link. It will download that using the requests library, and we're gonna wait for the download.
Moments later.
So when the download finishes, you can see the frames in here, and we actually already got one code from that, and it's printed in here. So if the video shows a QR code, it will be printed here, and also it will be saved in our CSV file. There you go, you can see. And then what you're gonna do, you can just copy this, go to the website, and just use Alt Tab here. That's why I told you to get it ready, and then try to redeem the code. But of course, this is 1 hour ago. The codes are already redeemed. But if you do this fast, and if you search for the latest videos, you will be able to get some of the codes, and you can enjoy opening up booster packs on Pokemon TCG online game. If you don't want to open, you can trade it for the cards you want. Okay, so right now that's for the demo. I'm gonna add clips also of me actually getting codes and then redeeming it successfully, and then later we're gonna open those packs. Okay, so here are the videos.
Moments later. Moments later. More moments later.
guys, now we're going to open the packs. Okay guys, now we're gonna open the packs we got earlier, okay? And log this in, come on. So excited. Okay. Let's check this out. See, only just 7, but actually we got more earlier than the ones that we showed you earlier. So I'm just gonna open this up, okay? I'm gonna go to collections and packs, and look, we're gonna open this up and look at that. We've got a lot of sword and shields right here. I'm gonna open this up, starting from, let's start from this rare hollow chest. Come on. Proton. Okay, these are the lock packs. So I got this from just playing the game. So we'll just open that up. Got 2 of these. Ooh, lots of new cards. Okay, and for a rare, Toxic Rogue. Okay, let's see. All right, let's open another one. Charmander, so cute. And Charmeleon. What is this? Oh, Sizer. Awesome, cool. So let's open this Cosmic Eclipse pack. Really hard to get some rare pulls here, but let's see. Ooh, beware. Alright, I'm gonna make this fast. So now Lost Thunder, I got this earlier. Just one of it. Kevin Durant, Electrobuzz, Fama, Grovile, and Cephalon GX, Ultra Beast. Awesome, cool. We got full art here. Awesome pull there. Now we're gonna open Team Up. Let's see. Look at that cute Squirtle here. Okay. Oopa. Okay, let's move on. So we're gonna open Sun and Moon, Unified Minds. Ooh, 2 rares. First, Executor. And look at that, GX. Awesome. Looks good. Really cool. Look at those eyes. Awesome, guys. So, here, lots of Sword and Shield and 5 Rebel Clash. So we're gonna open up everything right now, okay? Start with the Sword and Shield. Ooh, bitch! open another. Guys, if you like this video, just hit the like button, okay? And subscribe. And Cramoran. Awesome. Look at that Pikachu. Open another. Ooh, yeah, Bead. Drizzle. Rillaboom. Awesome. Open up. Sinistea and Cinderace. Come on. We want to pull Zacian here. If we're gonna pull that, it's gonna be awesome. Goldeen. Noctowl. Okay. 9 more packs for the Sword and Shield. And then 5. I have 5 Rebel Clash. For the rare, more Pico. Hope you guys like this. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Intelian. Unlike the real packs, we want to pull those cards that we want to use in our decks here. Okay. Ooh, like this one. Indeedee. V. Awesome. Cool. Got another V card there. Team Yogurt. Oh, Poltergeist. If you like this one, please write in the comments what you think of our opening our prize. Good morning, Coco. Tapu Coco. We got Tapu Coco. Awesome, cool artwork here. Hey, lots of things happening in there. Those lightnings. No, not that. The Tapu Coco. Awesome. Another one. And we have Galarian Berserker. Okay, cool. Pokekid, new card. Galarian Obstagoon. Okay. Last 2 packs for Sword and Shield. Then we're gonna go with the final 5 Rebel Clash. That's Stone Journer. Okay, this is the last Sword and Shield pack. Come on, let's get a good card. Okay, 2 rares. Awesome. Okay, Poltergeist 10. Intelian. Alright, so now last 5 Rebel Clash packs. Okay guys, if you like this opening, please hit the like button, and yeah, let's see what we get here. Look at that Cinder Ace pack. Oh yeah, the new one, Binacle. Look at that. Oh, cool. Awesome. Malmar VMAX. What good about these cards is you can trade them with the cards you want on your deck. And if you got this VMAX, yeah, it's real easy to trade those cards. You can trade it for packs or cards. Okay. We hit gold. Gold Galarian Berserker. Look at this. Awesome face. That's awesome. 2 in a row. Come on. We have Dragon Ball. Look at this Palpitoad and Zamazenta. Cool. This is good in those steel decks. And I think this is the last pack for our Rebel Clash. We have Nugget, Training Court, Hollow Sand, Beware, Clefairy, Notoad, Litwick, Toxel, Monzer, and for our rare, Iron V. Awesome guys. So that's it for our opening. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome and I love you all. Please continue to support our channel here, and yeah, have a great day guys. Thank you. See ya.